In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money by referring friends on Temu. If you're looking to earn some extra cash using the Temu app, you're in the right place. We'll go through the process step by step, making it easy for you to start earning without any hassle. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is open the Temu app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you do so from your app store. With the app open and ready, your next step is to tap on the U tab. This section is where you manage your account details and personal settings, and today it's your gateway to earning rewards. Once you're in the U section, look for the option that says earn credits and free gifts. This is an important part of how Temu engages its users by providing incentives for their activity, and it's where you'll officially start your journey of making money through referrals. Next, find and click on Get Now under the Cash Rewards section. This option will prompt you towards earning rewards directly by sharing Temu with others. You'll see a screen labeled Invite to Get New Tokens. This is where the magic happens, as Temu rewards you for each new user you bring to their platform. Now comes a very crucial point. You need to click on the copy link option. This link uniquely identifies you as the referrer, so it's important to make sure you copy it correctly. Each time someone uses your link to join Temu, it will count towards your reward quota. After you've copied your referral link, the next step is to share it. There are many ways to do this, depending on what platforms you and your friends use most. You could send it via text message, email, or share it on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. The main goal is to reach as many potential new users as possible, as each successful referral adds to your earnings. Keep in mind, the more effectively you share your link, the better your results will be. Personalize your messages when you send them out. Explain to your friends not only that they can join a great community using your link, but also highlight any benefits they might receive by signing up through it. A little enthusiasm and explanation can go a long way. In summary, by following these simple steps, you can start earning cash rewards through Temu's referral program. It's straightforward. With a little effort in sharing your link, you can invite friends and earn some extra money. Thanks for watching today, and good luck with your referrals. Happy earning!